Hi friends, how are you all? Whenever a parent comes to me for coaching or in online sessions, a common concern that they all have, our child does not mix out with other children. They do not like to go out and play. They never take any initiatives. They just laze around. We have to push them into anything. What to do? Does this sound familiar to you as well? Does this thought comes to your mind? And why so? Because we compare our child with the next door child. And I, as a parent, feel that if that child can do it, why my child is not able to do it? And that's where the comparison cycle starts. And the expectations of yours, when they are not met by the performance of your child, the disappointment happens, and then that disappointment comes out from you through words and your actions, and it impacts the child. And when it impacts the child, what happens? Can you guess? What happens to the child? Yes, rightly said. He loses his confidence. So, dear friends, this is Farida Messiwala, your parenting and happiness coach and a corporate trainer. And today we are going to talk on how important confidence is to a child. Confidence helps to create future happiness, success, and good health for your child. A confident child is capable of handling peer pressure, frustration, or your challenges in life, and any negative or positive emotions. So, as a parent, our role is to help them build this up for themselves. Are all children born confident? Not really. The environment that we create for them helps to nurture this confidence in a child. So let us see some simple strategies which you can create at our homes to build up this confident, free, fun-loving environment for our child. So the first thing is appreciate the efforts and not the outcome. Let your child work his way out. Give him challenges. Accept the results. Don't show your disappointment. Don't show your anger when he's not able to reach the destination. So it says enjoy the journey. Let him do. Let him enjoy what he's doing, irrespective of the outcome. The second thing that we can do to raise confidence in our child is practice and model positive self-talks. Many times it is seen that subconsciously we talk it out like, I cannot do it, I'm terrible at it, I will try, but. So these all are negative talks. Instead of that, can we get into a positive talk like, yes, I can do it, I'm good at it, I'm capable of doing this. This will form those habits into your child, and that will get those positive thoughts coming into him. The third thing that we can do is ask for their opinion and advice for age appropriate situations. So this will make the child feel that his ideas are valued, which will again create a sense of accomplishment into your child, a sense of being wanted around. The fourth thing that we can do is give them age appropriate special tasks. Keep on giving them new challenges as they are able to complete their task, like taking the pet out for a walk or taking care of the sibling or helping out in a chore. And then once they have done it right, maybe give them new challenges. This gives them a sense of again accomplishment. And the last thing that we can do is, last but not the least of course, is create a wall of fame for them, wherein you'll put all their artwork, their accomplishments, their certificates, their certification of participation, their drawings, their grades. They see the wall, they feel happy about what they have achieved till now, and that gets them confident. So my dear friends, confidence shapes a child's life, and it is the best gift that we as parent can give. So give your child opportunity and make them feel capable and competent, and show them through your words and actions, and with love and affection you can make them confident. You can nurture this confidence into them. So peter as Peter McIntyre said, confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. So let your child be wrong and let him be confident that yes, next time he will achieve the results. So friends, if you would like to hear more of this free parenting tips, you can mail me on farida.messiwala@gmail.com, or you can send me a WhatsApp on my number 9820849415 with your name and your child's age, and enjoy the tips. Hope you like this session. Thanks for being with me. Be the change. Be with me, be the change. Happy parenting. Good day.